everyone. So I wanted to show you guys about this website that I just found, declutter.com. I absolutely love it. I just recently used it to sell my iPhone off of, and I was super happy with the whole process. So I thought I'd just tell you guys a little bit about it. So I needed to sell my iPhone. I have never sold an iPhone online before. I've never sold a phone online. I've never gone through one of these companies. So I was a little bit nervous. I didn't know quite what to expect. I got on Google and I Googled how to sell my iPhone, and several different websites popped up. I looked at gazelle.com, and then the other one I looked at was itsworthmore.com. I did not love either of those websites, mainly because I felt like I could sell my phone for more than they were offering me. So I ended up continuing looking, and that's when I stumbled across declutter.com. So I'll kind of just walk you through the process. So go online, click Start Selling. Then you enter in your product. Let's do this right here. And right off the bat, it gives you a bid. So it gives you, your phone, what the model is, and then also the storage capacity. Then it goes into your network. So mine was with Sprint, and I clicked on Sprint, and this nifty message popped up, which I really appreciated. So it said here that Sprint can unlock your cell phone as long as you meet certain criteria. So I ended up calling Sprint, and they could, in fact, unlock my iPhone, which was huge for me because an unlocked iPhone brings a lot more. So this iPhone 7, where it was locked with Sprint, they were only willing to pay $310 for it. But because it has been unlocked, they will pay $360 for it. The other thing I really liked about this was the process of determining what condition your phone was in. I felt like these were pretty straightforward. Mine was in good condition, guys. It, turned on and off, all buttons worked, everything worked on it. It looked perfect. There was one little tiny scratch on it, like tiny, and I just felt like it was good condition. After you pick your network, pick your phone's condition, you add it to your basket. From there, you'll create your account, which is your email address and how you want to get paid, and all your information there to get you paid. So after I created my account, I got an email welcoming me to declutter.com, and this is also called like my welcome packet. So I was offered $243 for my phone. That's what I agreed to, and that's what they ended up paying me for my phone, which made me really happy. And that's the main reason I'm on here reviewing this site because, I just felt like it was super simple. They stuck with what they told me they would, and I appreciated it. So this first page here is instructions on what to do with your phone. First off, you pack all your items in a box. Second, you print your free shipping label. So in the welcome packet, they did include my shipping label. You can also pick, if I remember correctly, UPS or FedEx. I believe I was given that option. So I did go ahead and pick UPS just because it's right down the street from me. Next, you put your label on the box, make sure it's wrapped up nice, and then also you need to include your item list when you ship your package off. So I think this is just for on their end, how they're able to track your information. So that's what I sold, the iPhone 6s Plus 64 gigabyte unlocked condition good. I got $243 for it. I was super pleased with that. So anyway, shipped it off, got an email once they received my package. The next step was a couple days later, I got an email saying that they had processed my package and that my payment was on its way. There are 3 different ways to get paid off of this. You could either pick PayPal. I don't have a PayPal account, so that was an option. You could do direct deposit. I didn't feel comfortable giving my account information over, to them where I had never used them before. And so the final option was a check, which would take a little bit longer, but I felt like it was the best way for me to go. So I asked for a check, and after they said my package had been processed and payment had been sent, I got my check like 3 business days later. So I was super happy with it. And again, like I said, my check came in the mail for the $243 that they told me they would pay me for my phone. So I was honest with them with the condition of my phone and where my phone was at, and they were, they paid me accordingly. Now, if you said your phone was in good condition and you shipped it off and something wasn't working or it had a big old crack, that's on your end. But everything I felt like everything went really, really well for me. The other thing I liked about this was you can log into your account, and from there I was able to keep tabs on the whole process. So not only did they email me updates, but I was able to log into my account, check on my package where it was at. Right now, if you were to go in there, which I won't do it because it'll show my information to YouTube, not a good idea. But anyway, if I were to go into my account right now, it would say that I could click on my order number and it would say that it had been paid out. So it just it keeps you updated the whole way. And then also, guys, if you're looking for a killer deal on some stuff, you can shop. So look at these phone prices. So I don't know. I'm pretty pleased with the website. Was really happy with it. Thought it was a good idea. What have I been looking in my cart? I was looking at a computer the other day, out of stock. So it sold fairly quick. So yeah, I guess stuff moves pretty quick on this website. But anyway, just if you are like me looking for a place to sell your phone, your electronics, games, something, and aren't quite sure who to trust, well, I trust declutter.com now. So excellent way to go. Anyway, hope this helps. You guys have a great day and let me know your feedback. Have a great day.